Okay, today we are going to train my neighbor's cat, a llama. Look, that's my neighbor.
Hi.
Okay, and this is Llama. She's only a month old. Hi, Llama. Say hi. Don't smell it. Wow, she is very, very cute. Look at her normal size. She's in a shoebox. Well, we're gonna show her how to shake your hand. I don't think you would need a treat or something to do it, because when they're babies, they still can't drink treats or eat it. I mean, she's so cute. So I'm gonna place the camera where you can see us doing this. Okay, put Llama here. Here, Llama. Ow! Don't bite me. Okay.
That's neighbor.
Neighbor? It means that you live next to me. Okay. So we're gonna teach Llama. Oh, she's a girl, not a boy. We're gonna teach her how to shake my hand. Llama, Llama. Can you shake my hand? Can you shake my hand?
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay. Can you shake my hand? Good job. Can you shake my hand? Oh, good job.
She knows.
Okay, Llama. Llama. Okay, can you shake my hand? Can you shake my hand? Llama. Well, you got it there. She knows how to shake my hand, and well, she's
Se
so
queda my atención.
She is so cute.
Mwah.
Okay, Llama, again. One time, okay? One time. Can you shake my hand? Can you shake my hand? Hello, Llama. She's small, and she barely knows how to do stuff. She's so cute, though. And she drinks in a little bottle. Look, wait. You see? It's very, very small. Llama. I think she's IMing the cat next door. Llama. 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 Hello? Can you shake my hand? Oh, smell it. Shake it. This hand. Hand. Hey, can you shake my hand? Can you shake my hand? Oh, she shake my hand. She likes, licking you a lot. Can you shake my hand? You're so cute, Llama. Okay, bye.